Hello and welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and today I thought we would have a look at this Trium MT-140 Astral. I believe this was actually released in 1999. So let's have a look at him. The box is absolutely mint for his age. The battery holds a very good charge. Let's have a look at this front. Side there blank. Side there. The back. And obviously the top. And the bottom. Let's have a look at him then. Oh. Yeah, we have the SIM card, which would have been in there originally, but is being used and lost. We have a service guide, which would have told you all different stuff about your phone. You got all the different load of phones you can get. That one. Got most of these. That one, which I got here. And that one, I haven't got that one. Any other ones? No. That's the user guide. We have the tariff guide. So this would have told you the tariffs, how much it would have cost you. If you just want to look at it. And obviously there's your tariffs here. The peak and off the peak. Yeah. So let's have a look now. We have like I said, it's like mint condition. Even the box is in mint condition. We have the battery. Mitsubishi electronic battery pack. There's a little bit of damage on the battery thing there, on that one, but it still works fine. It holds a very good charge. See, there's the phone. A little bit of a scorch mark, a burn mark on the terminal there, but it still works fine. Obviously you have the pull-out antenna as well. Not extremely massive, but a decent size. I wouldn't say it's huge, but it is a decent size, like. Alright, just put the SIM card in now, and we'll bring him to life. SIM card goes in the sliding tray like so, like that. It's in the sliding tray, and then you push the tray inwards. That's how you put the SIM card in this one. If none of you don't know, if any of you do ever have one and you find it difficult to find the thing, that's where it is. Push him in place, and when the battery's in, then it will stop the SIM card from coming out, which is a good idea. You know what? UK Vodafone, as you can see. So remember where the menus are now. Ring alert tone, select. Just try the ringtones in it. Hang on, I gotta try and know how to change them a minute. Hang on. Oh, yeah, there you are. Right. I thought I had it then. There you are. There's the menu system, phone book, messages, time, calls and times, GSM services, broadcasts, settings. I think we need that. So we tap on there. Keypad lock, language. Obviously we need tones, so tap on there. Alert tones, ringtones. Right. Hang on, sorry, start from the beginning. Where is the beginning? Start from the Trium song. Let's pull that out. Yeah, I'm back to the original Trium one. If we press select that now, it will say stored. Obviously you got tones, display, keys, auto features, security, default settings, and so on. Obviously you have settings there, which I just showed you. You have office tools, whatever that is. You have the Vodafone thing. Obviously the voicemail, phone book, messages. As we just seen, we've seen all that. Let's have a look. GSM services. You have call diverting, call waiting, sending my ID, receiving call ID. Just the basic when someone do ring you, whether you want to know who's ringing you or not, or when you want to, when you're ringing for somebody's, whether you want to show your number or how it's withheld. That's basically all I ask for. Broadcast, I don't know what that is. Message types and alerts, I wouldn't have a clue what that is. Office tools, let's have a quick look at that. You have scratch pad and a currency converter, which I suppose, I don't know if they would still work today on here, but if they did, it would be quite handy, I suppose. But with all the smart phones today, you wouldn't really use it on here, really, I don't think, would you? Let's have a look at the buttons and that now. Obviously the buttons in very good condition. This light do flash, I think, when you have a call or whatever, it will flash red, or I think it's red or green it flashes when you have a missed call or text or whatever. Obviously this is locked onto the Vodafone network. Mitsubishi, and you have here's the charging port here, the little pin. The charger is in here. I won't get it out now because I have got another one plugged in here which I have been charging this up with, but I don't want to use it. I use the spare one. It's just basically just a big square, a chunky. Hang on, let's just show you it. 2 seconds, and I will get you it. Oh, go away, clock. Right. Alright, guys. This is the charger. You will need to get if you've got one of these and you haven't got a charger for it. I have got two. I have got this spare one as well. Nothing wrong with it. It's like new and hardly been used. I put on there, look, a Trium. So yeah, I got two of these chargers. Show the end of it. It's the end, very small end on it, which he goes straight into there, like that. That's your charger. And you have a lock screen here. You could press the lock there. Oh, you've got to press that in, and then that one. So you've got to press, if you have one of these and you can't get into it, you press that there to keep that unlocked. Hang on, I didn't do it right. Yeah, unlocked now. So there you are, guys. That is the Trium MT-140 Astral. I'm pretty sure this was released in 99. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure it was. If anybody know any more information on it and can tell me if it was released in 99 or not, then leave me a comment if you like. As usual, guys, thank you very much for watching my channel. I really do appreciate it, and I'm really grateful. I really am. And I will be back pretty soon as usual. And bye for now. Bye.